Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to duplicate vocals in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can find all the instruments you can play, where you can find the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to duplicate our audio recorder or just our vocals in GarageBand. What we want to do first is go ahead and open up any of the instruments right here. It doesn't matter, it's going to open up the same menu and just going to open up the audio recorder, and now it's going to open up this recording menu right here where we can find all the options that we have for recording and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with duplicating. After you have added your vocals and recorded them, now we can go into the upper left corner right here and click on the edit menu. That's going to open up this mixing mode where you can find all the instruments that we have. So as you can see, I have my vocals right here, I have the grand piano, I have created a drum kit and so on. And now let's say I want to duplicate the vocals right here that I have in the audio recorder. What I want to do first guys is just go ahead and click on the icon of the vocals or the instruments right here on the left side of the screen, tap on it and click on the duplicate option in the new menu that is going to appear. So you want to click duplicate. As you can see, now it's going to duplicate the audio recorder right here, and now we want to go ahead and click on the and tap on the track itself that we want to copy and duplicate, and tap on it, and it's going to appear a new menu where you want to click copy. After that, in the new duplicated section, just tap on it and click paste, and as you can see, now we have duplicated our vocals and we can place them wherever we want. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.